Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a sign-up sheet in Google Forms. So first come here, click on a blank form, okay? And this is the header section. So I want you to go ahead and title this. For example, the name of the event or event registration sign-up sheet, anything like that. So I'll come here, remove this, and type in what I want. So it's called event registration. If you want to make it bold, italic, or any of that, you can customize it. Okay, you can also insert a link to maybe a website. Now what I'll show you is this to add a header. Okay, so all you need to do is click on customize theme, and then we can choose an image for our header. We get different options here. So let's do party. We'll look for a nice theme for our event. So let me go do that. All right, so I'll pick this one. Okay, click on insert, and it should be added in just a few seconds. So I can close this now. Of course, you can go ahead and customize the theme more if you would like. Okay, the colors, for example, you can add your own other custom colors. I'll leave that for now. Now let me add a form description. You can just come here and type it in. So there we go. I have added some details in the description about this event. Things like the event timing, the event address, and where to contact, right? Now we need to add some questions. So let's do the first question. We'll title this name. Okay. And we'll change this from multiple choice to short answer. And I'll make this required. Okay. There we go. I'll have to toggle this one on. And then to add a new question, we just click on this plus icon. So you can see an asterisk right here. That means these questions will be required for them to fill in. Next, I'll ask for email. And this one as well will make it short answer and then make it required. I'll add a few more. Now for the next question, I'll use checkboxes. Okay. So what day will you attend? Right? From here, I'll toggle this one and choose checkboxes. I'll have different options. So day 1, click here to add another option. Day 2, it's also suggesting for us, so we can easily go ahead and use that suggestion. I'll make this required as well. So here, checkboxes, they can choose multiple days if they would like. With multiple choices, they can only choose one day. Let me add another question as well. And this one will be a multiple choice one, so leave this one as it is, and it will be dietary restrictions. Okay? Now just make sure these are required questions, so toggle these on. So, this is perfect, so I'll toggle all of them. I'll click on add all, as you can see. And what I'll do, I'll just bring none here at the top. Okay, perfect. And I'll leave other. So other is here because they can just choose this and type in their restriction on their own, okay? I'll show you what it looks like at the end. All right, so I added this for one checkbox where they have to explain that, yeah, I understand that I'll have to pay when I arrive, right? I'll make this one required as well. And now what we need to do is just title this. So whatever the event is, you can come here and title it, type it in. I'll leave it as such. And what we now need to do is publish this, okay? So come to the top right, click on publish again. And now we have this link. So click on copy responder link, click here on copy. Now to get this sheet, this is what I need you to do to get the sign up sheet. So come here in responses, this is how we will track everything. Once we click on responses, click on link to sheets, toggle this one on, create a new spreadsheet, click on create. And just wait about 1 second, it will create a spreadsheet. Now, when someone comes in, okay, and they fill in this form, let me show you the preview. Come here, click on preview. Once they fill in this form, this is what it will look like. As you can see here, I can choose one option. Here, you can choose multiple, right? And once they submit, our data will come here. Let me actually give you an example. Let me show you. So I'll just go ahead and submit this. There we go. And now if I come back here to Sheets, it should automatically update the response. And there you go. Really that easy and simple. Good luck with your event.